How to upload files on Google Drive on PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to upload your files on Google Drive using your PC, here's what you need to do. So first thing, just open up any of your favorite browser. So I'm using Google Chrome browser over here. So once you open it, just searching for your mail. So as you can see, I've already logged into my Gmail account. So make sure you have logged into your Gmail account over here by searching your Google Mail, and just open up the Drive feature by simply heading over to this extension button over here and Google Apps button over here. And once you do that, as you can see, there are a lot of files already being uploaded to Google Drive. So basically it's the same account which you use to log in our Gmail account. So to simply create or upload new file, just select new file, new option over here, and you can also actually upload the folder as well if you want. So since we are uploading files, just click on file upload, and let me select a quick file over here, let's say CapCut, and simply open the file just like that. And that particular file should be just like that uploaded on your Google Drive. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. If you want more quick tutorial videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel on the future. See you on the next one.